How's it going, YouTube? Today, Sappers update. Talk about my mom, and then we'll talk about me, just like we always do. Today I'm smoking a Flor de Oliva Torpedo, and I have forgot to have my coffee. Shit. I forgot to make my coffee. Oh well, I'll make it after the video. So it's raining right now, of course, in my region of Texas. So hopefully that doesn't throw anybody off. My mom yesterday, I got to visit very early, and she's determined. She is just, the fight is in her. Oh, I gotta move this forward because the rain is hitting my phone. Even though Sundays are like the day off, when I got there, she wanted me to help her with her speech therapy books and go through the sounds, the vowels, the days of the week, the months, basic phrases, stuff like that. And we worked on them for like an hour. I feel a cold, wet, nosy pressing up against me. If you show yourself, I'm gonna capture you and get you onto the video. Oh. Toby. Toby. Now you're just looking at my scalp. Come on. Come on. Oh, you really don't want to, do you? Okay, never mind. He really does not want to be on video. But I can move you back now. The rain, the wind, everything. Shaky, shaky, shaky. But yeah, on her day off, she still wants to work to be able to speak. She has the fight in her, and I thank God for that. I really do. And then we took her, we got her onto her wheelchair, and we took her outside, for a little trip around the building a few times. And then at that point, it was about time for my uncle to show up, so she wanted me to leave, and gave her a real big hug, and headed home. And then, I headed to Rustic, my new awesome zippered jacket that they got with zippered pockets and a hoodie or a hood. $35 too, and it's very comfy. Oh my gosh, the rain. Here comes the rain. So I smoked and I drank a few with my friends that were there. Then I headed home and played Farming Sim. Apparently a tornado had gone through my fields and completely effed everything. And the ground, I guess, needed to be replowed because it wouldn't let anything grow there. So I spent an hour and a half just out of my mind bored plowing well, the AI was doing it, but I was just watching while the Peaky Piper Nick was just like asking me questions about stuff and actually being able to play the game. Okay, I can move this back again. Yeah, that's about it for me. I had a pretty boring day in comparison to my mom, and I think she had to go outside a second time because I got another picture of her. And I got some tobacco in my mouth. And Yusuf, you'll be getting some soon. Some of these. I promise. So, thank you guys. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video.